Hello and welcome back. Alright, so in continuation with what we started, we'll be looking at the Headpose tool. Now the Headpose tool is a very interesting tool. Okay, now we have two options here, you can see. So this one, you can use it in just pay attention to the eyes of this lady, the eyes. Alright, so when I increase the pupil, you can see it's actually adjusting the size of the pupil. So if I reduce it, okay, this is before, this is after. You can see what I just did to it here. So that tool is just concentrated on the face, this particular tool. So let me just reduce it to the default one. So when I come to smile, notice if I increase it, just look at my screen, the way I'm moving my hand, you can see the way she's smiling. This is before, this is after. Alright, so let me reduce that. You can see moving it to this place, you can see this is before, this is after. I just move it to the left. You can see how it's now looking as if she was just forcing herself to smile. Now this is for the focal length. So if I move it, the distance between the head and the chin, if I'm not mistaken. So if I increase it this way, you can see the distance, and if I reduce it this way, you can see how it looks like. So this thing comes in handy. It comes in handy. So I'll just move it this way. Now for this particular one, now this is you can look at this 3D effects here. It's an awesome effect. When I click on just enable it, then I'm just moving my hand across. You can see it's helping me to move. Look at this, like tilt the head of my model. Okay, this is the before, this is the after. So I can rotate the head of my model with this tool. So I can move it. You can see the direction up, sideways, this way, and up. Alright, so that's the way it moves. So I can move it like this, or I can just before and after. Right, so let me just make it awkward. Right, let's increase the eyes completely. Let's increase the smile. It looks like a goblin. It looks like a goblin. Alright, so that's all for this particular tool. We'll see you in the next video.